So to get started with my piping, I'm really just going to follow the shape of the cookie on this design. And I want to keep that tip up and off the cookie surface just a little bit to get that nice round stream of icing coming out. That'll give me the biggest barrier to holding back the flood and allow me to flood a nice full looking cookie. So I'm just letting that tip guide the icing into place as I work my way around the jar. And then when I'm ready to close off the shape, I'll just touch back down. It's almost like an icing anchor. So now we have our cookie that's already outlined, and we're ready to go back in with our flood icing. So I have the same color in our tipless bag here, and I like to just work my way around following the outline that I just made. I like that because it really gives a nice clean edge to that cookie and kind of conceals that outline. I'm pretty generous with my icing. I like a nice full cookie. So you'll notice as I'm flooding in, I'm not really letting a lot of cookie show. That'll give a nice full look once the icing is dry. And I'll use my scribe tool throughout the class. This tool is great just for tapping icing into place. If I see any air bubbles in my icing, I'll use the tip of that tool to pop it